Hi guys, welcome to Toyology TV. Remember, to keep up to date with all the latest toy news and reviews, why not subscribe down below and maybe even give this video a like button. So we're on the road, not only on the road, but today we're in Denmark, Billund, and we are in the Lego house. Now we are here for a very specific reason. There is a big announcement that's about to happen over there regarding a certain model. We'll try and get coverage of that, but we're also going to have a bit of a tour around, so hopefully we get to show you all the ins and outs, the secrets and the little details that maybe you don't know about this really awesome, true to life, true scale Lego building. So the big release has been done, the big launch is launched, and Lego Technic's newest model is the Bugatti Chiron. Now that's out of the way, we get to look around Lego house. Let's get going, shall we? What's amazing about this place is that every little nook and cranny, every corner seems to have just a bit of secret Lego hidden away. Even the plant pots that are dotted around the cafeteria. There's some real plants, but then there's some Lego plants in there. The light fittings, the lampshades are, of course, Lego bricks, your centerpieces, which should be pot plants, Legos. Any little flora and fauna that are in amongst the bushes of the lobby, they're Lego or Duplo. It's amazing. It's managed to capture the idea of Lego in a building, the idea of play and discovery and creation. But anywhere you look, you're getting a little surprise. I'm really loving this place. So, in the very center of the staircase that leads to the top floors of the Lego house is the Tree of Creation. Now, this thing is a little bit awe-inspiring. It has over 6 million bricks within it. It's one of a kind, and it's one of, if not the biggest Lego structure in the entire world. And it charts Lego's history from the very roots of literally the tree and of the company, for when it was building just wooden toys, ducks and trucks, and it goes all the way up through the canopies, tracing some of the most iconic, some of the most important Lego sets that have led the company to what it is today. And what's lovely is on the roots of this tree, there are little creations that visitors have made and just plonked on the roots. So it's kind of a tribute to how Lego is more than just the company. It's the people that buy it, it's the kids that become adults, and it's kind of breathtaking. Just when you think the magic has kind of reached its peak, you find this, a room filled with 3 Lego T-Rexes. Each one of these is built out of different types of Lego bricks and with different style. So, the yellow one, this one right here, made out of Technic bricks. I love it. It's such a robotic dinosaur. My other passion, of course, being Transformers. This is like a little Grimlock. I say little. This is like a real scale Grimlock. And you can see even the Dino eggs made out of Technic right here. And I love, love, love the look of pain on his face and the fact, hang on, can I get it in shot? That he stood on a Lego brick. It's the little details. And then our green guy over here, look at him, made out of the more classic Lego system bricks with such amazing detail, using the angled bricks and the shiny face of them to make a smoother, more realistic looking dino. Look at the swish of the tail, made out of bricks. And then the red one. This is the first one you see as you get to the top of the tree of creation. This one made out of Duplo, chunkier, more playful, rougher. And what I love as well is on the feet of our Duplo dino, we have many Duplo animals. It's like a Noah's Ark. If Noah's Ark was made of plastic, I was in the shape of a T-Rex. This is the World Explorer Zone. I mean, I'm not the most interesting bit of this room. I'm just going to shut up and put on some lovely music, and I'm going to let you see the wondrous things that they've built in this room. Sheer weight of stories being told in this one room alone is incredible. I have not covered nearly a fraction of what's there. You could spend hours looking in minute detail in every corner of this room, and you won't have found 100% of the stories that have been built into every little nook and cranny of every one of these worlds. Man, got to move on, but I really don't want to. Here in the Lego racetrack room, you get to build and then race on some pretty impressive circuits. I could spend quite a few hours here trying to perfect the perfect racer, or, you know, just give up immediately and move on. Might do the latter. Not good enough for this. So here in the wintry depths of the Robo Lab, Lego are teaching kids, and big kids, how to maneuver ice floes in treacherous territory with the use of robots. So, as you can see behind me, using the overhead projection technique, some pretty impressive remote controls, and of course, utilizing the Lego Technic bricks. Multiple people at one time can have a go at clearing obstacles, saving penguins, and of course, getting to the very center of that very impressive Lego ice hauler is. Join me in Lego's aquarium, and this is one of the main attractions. You build your Lego fish, you scan it, and then it appears in the aquarium. I should give this a go, shouldn't I? Right, look, yes, that fish wasn't the best designed, but I am proud, damn it, and he's in there somewhere. There he is. Swim, little fishy. I'm sorry I didn't spend enough time designing you. As if this building wasn't Willy Wonka chocolate factory enough, they've actually got a Lego waterfall. In fact, they've got two. In this room, they pose the question, if you had unlimited Lego bricks, what would you build? And that is what they've provided. This, above all other rooms, is the room that could get you lost for hours. It's the Lego fan's dream. Every color, every brick type, every possibility. Have you ever been in that classic situation? You want to play SimCity, but you also want to build some Lego. It's a terrifying place to be. But luckily, this next room here in the Lego house has got the perfect solution. City Architect Room. It's the perfect hybrid of both. This table, projected from above, changes every time you pick up or place a new building in one of these slots. So, take out what looks to be a power station. People kind of panic down there. But if you plonk it back in, city bursts into life. New roads are built, new figures jump in. How cool is that? Can you imagine having this in your own living room? I'd never leave. The experience here in Lego House in Billund starts with one very simple yet mind-blowing fact. If you have 6 of these identical bricks, you can make over 9 million unique combinations. It's that extraordinary idea that has, I suppose, birthed this entire place. But what they've done, they've given you more than just 6 unique bricks, they've given you millions. I mean, millions just in the tree in the center, but millions upon millions, and said, go wild. Lego has been an inspiration and a mainstay in kids' lives for decades now, and it's not showing any signs of stopping. The real question, I suppose, for this video is, for a Lego fan, be they adult or child, is it worth going to Denmark, to Billund, to Lego House? I think, yeah, it really is. It's almost a religious experience for anyone who is big into building toys or just toys in general. And it's certainly going to be an experience that stays with me, and probably you if you come along as well. So, hopefully you've got a few more than just 6 unique bricks. Keep building, I know I will be. And remember, always come back to Toyology TV for all the latest toy news and reviews. Give us a cheeky subscribe, maybe even a like, and we'll see you next week. See ya.